Hello students, we'll discuss about what is aldol condensation here, which is a base catalyzed reaction. So what is aldol? So why it is called as the specific name like aldol here? The product during this particular reaction will have both either aldehyde group or keto group as the major functional group along with alcoholic group. So that's why called as aldol. If it is from keto, it is called as ketol. What is the definition? So, two molecules of aldehyde or two molecules of ketone having alpha hydrogen atoms reacts in presence of dilute alkali like NaOH or KOH to yield aldol. If it is obtained from ketones, called as ketone. So, well-known aldehyde having alpha hydrogen is acetaldehyde. Will combine with another molecule of acetaldehyde in presence of NaOH to yield aldol here. So when we check out, it is having aldehyde group as well as having alcoholic group. So that's why you are calling it as aldol or beta hydroxy butanol. Then the ketone like acetone two molecules condense in presence of NaOH to give ketol. So here also when we check out, this is a functional group which is keto group. To it at beta position OH group is present. So that's why beta hydroxy ketol in general we can call it. The mechanism of the reaction. First step is formation of carbanion. So either a aldehyde or a ketone which will have alpha hydrogen loses one of the alpha proton in presence of a base, because base is the uh, ion which will abstract the alpha hydrogens, any hydrogens, because to yield water molecule there. So hydroxide ion from base abstracts alpha protons abstraction of alpha proton. The carbanion is formed and the step can be written like this: CH3. So I'm taking the example of acetaldehyde here. OH minus yields carbanion which is stabilized by means of resonance like this. So stable carbanion it is. So this stable carbanion will attack on second molecule of another aldehyde to yield alkoxide ion. That is your second step. So second molecule of acetaldehyde I'm taking here plus the carbanion formed in the first step to yield by shifting the double bond towards oxygen to yield alkoxide ion. So alkoxide ion is formed. So why? Because oxygen is carrying the negative charge. So this alkoxide ion will take up the proton from water formed in the first step So I think you can understand here the OH minus will take up the alpha hydrogen of here and water is removed. So that water is consumed here so that the proton is added to the oxygen and OH minus given back. So that's why we are calling it as base catalyzed reaction. So first step is carbanion form, which is stable, and that carbanion will attack on second molecule of aldehyde to yield alkoxide ion, and later that alkoxide ion will take up the proton of water, which is formed in the first step, to yield aldol. So these aldol or ketol, if it is from ketone, it is called ketol. So let us take this aldol, which is formed in this reaction only. Loses water, forming a multiple bond here, double bond. So water is lost to yield alpha, beta, unsaturated aldehyde, because aldehyde group is remade but water is lost. That's why double bond is created. Then what is crossed aldol condensation? Crossed means between two different aldehydes or two different ketones, and one is aldehyde, one is ketone. So whatever it may be, such reaction in presence of dilute alcohol to give aldol or a ketol is called crossed aldol condensation. So let us take two different aldehydes here. So one is propanaldehyde plus another one is acetaldehyde. Both are having alpha hydrogens. Let us look into. So these are alpha hydrogens for propanaldehyde and these are alpha hydrogens for acetaldehydes. So both are having alpha hydrogens. So then in that case, the reaction is in presence of a base like NaOH, obviously in presence of a base. So we are expecting four different products here. So why four different products? Because two self products and two crossed products. So what are the self products? Self means both propanols giving one product and both acetaldehydes giving one product. So let us write two propanols. CH3, CH2, CH. OH, then CH, CH3, CHO. So because alpha hydrogens must be involved in the reaction, so that's why the alpha hydrogens only considered here. This is the alpha carbon. So this is the self-condensation of the particular propanaldehyde. Then self-condensation of acetaldehyde, as we have written just before. So these are the two products, self reactions. That means both are same aldehydes or same ketones. So let us look into the crossed. So here crossed, in one of the reaction, propanaldehyde is giving the carbanion formation. In the next reaction, acetaldehyde is forming the carbanion. So let us write both ways. So in this reaction, propanaldehyde is giving protons so that it is forming the carbanion, and acetaldehyde is accepting the carbanion. The next reaction, so in this reaction, acetaldehyde is forming the carbanion and propanaldehyde is accepting the carbanion. So like this, four different products. Like anytime we expect two self products and two crossed products. But if it is present in between two aldehyde, like one is aldehyde, other one is ketone. Say acetaldehyde plus acetone. So one is aldehyde and one is ketone. So how the reaction goes. So the same thing, we are expecting like before four products, but we always get only two products. Why? Because ketones are poor carbanion acceptors due, due to plus I effect of alkyl groups. So always ketone will form a carbanion and aldehyde will accept the carbanion. Never it will take up the carbanion, and no self-condensation of ketone also in because of other highly reactive aldehyde is present. So let us write the reaction. In presence of NaOH, we are getting only two products. That is one self-condensation product of acetaldehyde and other one is crossed condensation, but carbanion is formed by ketone and aldehyde is accepting the carbanion. Like the statement, whatever I have given, because of this one, due to plus I effect of two alkyl groups present both the sides of carbonyl group, ketones are less reactive, so it never accepts the particular carbanion in presence of a aldehyde. So that's why we are expecting one self-condensation product and one crossed condensation product. Thank you.